Hello there, alright.
Is it Michael?
Don't mind if I film you there.
No.
I don't know, anyway, is it?
Is it Michael?
It is, yeah.
Okay. We've got something to issue you. Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Do you want us to do it here or do you want us to do it inside?
I don't know what you mean, issue me.
So basically, we've had a call from Thames Valley Police.
Oh, right.
So a different police force to us. To say that you've sent a letter to someone on the BBC.
That's right, yeah, we've been corresponding for quite a while, yeah.
Oh, right, okay. So basically, they've asked us to issue you the harassment warning.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So do you want us to do it here or do you want us to come
fine.
in? Here? Okay. So basically, it's for you. Your name and address is on there and your date of birth. You sent a letter which has been hand-delivered either by yourself or a third party. This letter is unwanted outside of the official channels of the BBC and has caused me distress.
Oh, right.
This conduct is contrary to the Protection from Harassment
She's never
Act
said that before to me.
No?
No.
Oh, okay. So basically, this is a harassment warning.
Yeah.
Okay, which means the police have received an allegation of harassment against you.
I haven't harassed her,
Harassment is
though.
any behaviour on at least two occasions which causes alarm or distress.
At least,
to
sorry.
somebody else. Harassment is any behaviour on at least two occasions.
I haven't been there, that's right.
Okay.
Yeah.
At this stage, the police are not commenting on the truth of the allegation. Instead, this notice is being given to you in spirit of crime prevention.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah.
And to make you aware that if any kind of behaviour described were to continue, then you'd be liable to arrest and prosecution. You should be aware that if further such behaviour resulted in prosecution, then the behaviour complained of above could be referred to or relied upon in any subsequent proceedings. This notice is neither a court order nor a criminal record, but will be kept by the police for the purpose of any future investigations and retained in accordance with national guidelines on the management of police information.
So on the basis of one letter, there's classing it as harassment?
Basically, it's not come from Essex Police, it's Thames Valley Police have received the information and they've asked us to issue it on their behalf.
But it does say two or more, yeah?
So on here it does, yeah. So I don't, at the moment...
I mean, I do know a little bit about
harassment. I don't know whether you've
received, because she said that the contact's unwanted. We've just come
yeah, but she's never told me that.
We're here obviously just to tell you that it's unwanted.
But if I could write to her and say, like, why didn't you say it before? No,
don't write, because obviously that's the allegation that is causing her harassment. So this is just us giving you a warning.
So could I do the same thing then?
Just to say, not to
her agents have been here a few times, and I've said you're harassing me and you're causing me concern and distress. I've said that to her.
Right. Yeah, it's because obviously she's made the complaint, so we're just giving you a warning.
Right, no, but I'm just a bit confused. It seems a bit one-sided at the minute, because this has been going on for quite a while.
Like we said, we're not commenting on it.
Yeah, but if I can just tell you, so you know the other side of it, yeah? Mm-hmm. She works at the BBC, yeah, but she works from home. So when I phone up, they say, oh, she's working from home. So there's no other way of getting in touch with her. But if she's saying that, that's fine.
Yeah.
That is, yeah. So if she's saying, like, that she doesn't want the car...
Just to contact her, because it's obviously she doesn't want it anymore, okay? And then it will just leave it at that, alright?
Right. If you could just sign there then to say you understand. So underneath again it says this is not an admission or acceptance of
no, I'm not going to sign anything without legal advice, if that's alright. Is that alright?
You don't have to sign it, but this has been issued to you,
okay? Then, yeah, I'll take that.
Which basically means that if you contact her any further, then you could be arrested.
I was going to go tomorrow.
Alright.
That's strange.
Yeah, no, don't go tomorrow.
Because she never said it caused her distress at the time.
Right.
Strange, isn't it?
We're just here issuing that now to say it has. So just
are you recording me at the moment?
I'm not. No.
No. Okay.
So just don't contact.
Don't mind if you do.
Okay?
Yeah. So other than that, you have no more contact.
So what about?
I mean, issued to you
yeah.
now.
So this is a criminal thing, yeah?
No. Like I said, when I read that out to you, it's not.
No. It's a criminal. Is it a criminal offence?
Harassment is a criminal offence.
Why didn't she say just to me to withdraw my rights of access under English common law? Why didn't she say, I don't want you to knock on my door anymore? Because I said that in the letter. I said, if you say to me, you don't want me to come here anymore, I won't come here no more.
I don't know. She's obviously not wanted to do that, and she's gone down the police route. So this has been issued today.
Yeah, I know what you're trying to do, your job, but I'm trying to get my head round why it's happened all of a sudden.
Yeah.
Because it's been going on we've been corresponding for quite a while.
Right. But obviously it's just us saying today not to contact her any further.
What do you mean contact? Even write to her?
Yeah, don't.
But I've got to though, because we've got an unresolved issue.
Well then you'll have to contact someone else. Do not contact her, because you're going to end up getting yourself in trouble. That's why I've issued this, to stop.
Yeah, I mean, I know you're being fair, and I'm confused because there is like an issue, obviously, between us. That's why I'm corresponding with her.
Yeah, but
So my
correspondence
issue's
with it.
unresolved.
She
My
doesn't- she
issue's
doesn't want
unresolved.
correspondence.
You need to go about it a different way then. I don't know what your issue is with her, but you need to.
I
go
mean,
down a
it's not
different route
serious.
a
I'm
little
not a
bit.
nutcase or anything like that. I'm
At least-
61 years old. I'm not
If there's someone
violent. I've
else
got
that
no
you can go
record.
by and resolve it that way.
Yeah.
Because obviously she's made a complaint that she doesn't want any contact from you. So
And who's this?
So you cannot send any more letters or anything
BBC.
to her because it will end up getting you in trouble.
Yeah.
So that's why we're just here today.
So as of this point,
So-
you don't
so-
contact you.
yeah.
It means you don't contact
So,
her by letter, go
I
to her
mean,
address, or anything
she's
like that. You have
supposed
no
to be
further
replying
contact.
to me. Is she going to reply to me? Or?
If she's
Because
reporting
it's not
to
really
police, very
fair.
much
It's not
doubt
really fair if she's going to
Yeah,
leave it all
I
up in
doubt
the air, is
yeah,
it?
But you're going to have to resolve it some other way because it's just going to get you in trouble, okay?
Yeah.
So from this point forward, don't
No
write any
contact
letters,
at all.
Don't
What-
visit her address, nothing.
No?
No.
Okay then.
Okay.
It gives me a little bit of a problem because I do have to resolve the
you need to
issue
speak
that
to
I've
somebody
got.
else then.
Yeah. Do you know who that would be at all?
No, I don't even know who this person is. She works for the BBC, I'm assuming.
Yeah. Yeah, she does. Yeah.
I don't know who she is.
You'll just have to find out by other means, okay? But don't contact her.
But if you contact her again and then she reports it to Thames Valley Police, then it could mean that they come and arrest you for it.
Right.
Alright?
Okay.
Okay.
So can anyone do this to anyone? Like if people come to my door, could I do the same thing?
So yeah, if
Yeah.
there's
No, I'm not being flippant. And there's been a couple of instances where BBC staff have come here and harassed me for other things, but I'm a bit shocked really that she's jumped the gun. I think because I've let them come here. I've withdrawn their rights of access 3 times. And I've asked them, I said, you're causing me distress, please don't come here. But they keep sending people here. And that's the issue I want to try and resolve.
why have you got...
Well, I
with
don't
the
really,
BBC?
like you're saying, you don't want to discuss it. I don't really want to
Alright,
discuss
okay.
it, yeah.
Well, that's issued now, alright? So from
Yeah.
now, from 10:39 on today's date, don't have any more contact. Otherwise, you could be liable to arrest. Alright?
I appreciate that.
We're going to take this.
All right.
Because we have to...
Oh,
send it
don't
back. We
put
have to send-
refuse, because I haven't refused. I've declined to sign it.
Yeah, refuse to sign.
Not refuse, no.
It's
Decline.
Okay, we put refuse to sign because you've said you don't want to
Because
sign.
that sounds a bit worse, is it? You're going to make it worse for
It
me,
means
yeah?
the same thing. Decline to sign, refuse to sign. Just means you don't
Why
want to sign
didn't you
it.
put decline then? This is to make me look worse.
No,
Are
no,
you on her
that's what-
side?
that's what we
at the
put.
No,
minute
that's what we put.
then? So I get a bit,
Refuse to
Look.
sign.
my hands are shaking there.
Yeah, but no,
Because
that's
I
what we
wasn't
put.
expecting
Yeah,
none of this, yeah.
But that's fine, okay? So it's been issued.
Could I put decline to sign on it?
It's fine. It means exactly the same thing. It just means that you don't want to
Because
sign it.
I'm cooperating with you. I'm
Yeah.
not refusing. I'm not being
Yeah, that's
awkward.
fine. That's
Yeah.
fine. We'll send it back to Thames Valley and we'll say it's been issued. All right.
All right then. All right. Thanks a lot.